Hello, and welcome to this quick tip on making a data table using a template in Terra. I'm Allie from the Terra team, and in this video I'll show you how to create a data table from scratch by downloading a template from our public workspace, modifying it in your favorite spreadsheet editor, and uploading it into your own workspace. As background, tables are like spreadsheets built into your Terra workspace that can help you organize and manage data in the cloud. You can run a workflow using data in a table to make it easy to automate and scale your processing, for example. First things first, to find a template table, you can start at app.terra.bio and go to the Featured Workspace section of the library. Here's the library, Featured Workspaces. You can search and filter for a featured workspace that's close to what you need. Here's some useful filters on experimental strategy. I'm going to demo with a workspace I'm familiar with, the HCA Optimus pipeline, right here. But you can use any one that's close to yours. Click into the public version of the workspace and go to the Data tab. You'll see one or more tables. In this case, there's a participant table, a sample table, and a sample set table. You can click on the name to see what's in the table, but to download it, you'll click on the three-dot icon to the right of the table you want to use and select Download TSV. This will download a file with the name of the table at the top that you can open in your favorite spreadsheet editing application. So I'll do that right here. I'll view it in the Finder, and I'm going to open this in Microsoft Excel. And then I'm going to make this a little bigger so it's easy to see. Okay, here's our table. Each row is a different sample, and the first row is the sample ID. Has a little bit of extra formatting in here, this entity dot, which we don't need. So I'm going to get rid of that. The underscore ID is useful because it tells you where the key for this table is. But you can rename this if you want. So I'm going to call this specimen. One of the key aspects of tables is each ID in the first column needs to be unique. So you can put whatever ID you want. You can add a column if you want and call it whatever you want. The only thing to remember is that this needs to be alphanumeric, numbers and letters and underscores only. Put some data in there. You get the picture. You know how to edit in a spreadsheet. The next thing you need to do is save your table, which you can do by going into File and Save. If you're doing this from scratch, you need to make sure to save it as a tab separated value or TSV, which this already is. Once you've saved, you can close your editor. Now let's go back to Terra, where you can import your modified table to your own workspace. I need to rename that table specimen, which I'll do before I upload it. Let's go back to Terra to import into my own workspace. This is a read-only copy, so I'm going to make a clone. You need to remember to give it a unique name. Choose the billing project. You'll only enable security monitoring if you're working with federally controlled data. You can click on Clone Workspace. I see I'm in my own clone. Go to the Data tab, click Import Data. Select Upload TSV. I'm going to select the table that I made. You can see it's got my new column here, collection date, and my new name, specimen ID. Click on Start Import. You'll get a little success message when the data has been imported, and you'll see the table right here in your table section. And here it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy your analysis in the cloud on Terra.